Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your GCash account suddenly on hold? Don't worry, here's how to fix in just a few steps. This usually happens due to suspicious activity, unverified identity, or violations of GCash policies, but it's fixable. First of all, make sure your account is fully verified. Go to your profile, tap Verify Now, and submit a valid ID and clear selfie. Wait for approval, usually within 24 hours. If your account is still on hold, contact GCash support, tap help, then submit a ticket, explain the issue, and attach a screenshot. You can also try chatting with Gigi from Help Center, the GCash chatbot. Support usually replies within 1 to 2 business days. Keep checking your email or the GCash app inbox for updates. That's it. Stay secure, avoid suspicious transactions, and your GCash account should be back in no time. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Thanks for watching.